Hello, this is Plutus Academy and I am Shashank. India on 28 April 2016 completed its landmark mission of a regional navigation system on Earth with US-based GPS with the successful launch of IRNSS 1G, the seventh and the last of the constellation of satellites that make up the system. So now let's discuss all about the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, that is IRNSS. It is also known as NAVIC. The Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System or IRNSS with the operational name of NAVIC, that is Sailor or Navigator in Hindi. It stands for Navigation with Indian Constellation. Is an Indian developed navigation satellite system that is used to provide accurate real-time positioning and timing service over the India and the region extending to 1500 km around the India. The fully developed NAVIC system consists of 3 satellites in GEO orbit and 4 satellites in GSO orbit, approximately 36,000 km altitude above Earth's surface. However, the full system comprises 9 satellites including 2 on the ground as standby. Now let's discuss about the requirement of the IRNSS. The requirement of such a navigation system is driven because access to foreign government controlled global navigation satellite system is not guaranteed in a hostile situation as happened to Indian military depending on American GPS during the Kargil war. So the development we are now going to discuss about the development of IRNSS. As part of the project, ISRO opened a new satellite navigation center with the campus of ISRO Deep Space Network, that is DSN, at Bayalalu in Karnataka on 28 May 2013. At a network of 21 ranging stations located across the country will provide data of the orbital determination of satellite and monitoring of the navigation signals. So now I am going to tell you about the cost of the whole satellite system. The total cost of the project is expected to be 1420 crore, which is nearly equal to 211 million US dollars. Now I am going to tell you about all satellites, the whole satellite system. There are 7 satellites: 1A, 1B, IRNSS, 1A, IRNSS, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F and 1G. Actually, this satellite constellation system will cover approximately our whole Asia. Now, I am going to tell you the equivalent satellite system working in the world. These are the global navigation satellite system. First one is the Navigator Global Positioning System (GPS). This is USA based and 32 medium Earth orbit satellite operation. It was established in 1978. Second one is GLONASS, that is Russian based satellite system. It was introduced in 1995. Third one is Galileo. It is the European Union based satellite system. It has 30 MEO satellites. Some are operational since 2014 but expected to be full service till 2020. The fourth one is Beidou 2. It was China based satellite system. It has 30 MEO satellites expanding current digital service into global by 2020. Now I am going to tell you the services of IRNSS. This will provide 2 types of service. The NAVIC with IRNSS would provide 2 services. First one with the standard position service open for civilian use and second, the restricted service, the encrypted one for the authorized user, like for Indian military, that is for Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and other government security services. Now I am going to tell you about the applications of IRNSS. The first one is the terrestrial, aerial and marine navigation. Second one is disaster management. Third one is for the vehicle tracking and fleet management. It is also used for integration with mobile phones. We can use it for the precise timing and also for the mapping and geodetic data capture. This can also be used as a terrestrial navigation aid for hikers and travelers. And last one, the last use of it is visual and voice navigation for the driver. This is all about of IRNSS, that is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. So we have covered, we have discussed so many things and learned so many things about IRNSS. Thank you for watching this video.